I am back with another unboxing. Today I have two packages and they are both Sserafim related. So this first one right here is their light stick. I'm finally getting it. This is the box it comes in. It says "Fear Not." And on the other side, it says Sserafim. Your standard light stick comes with an informational or instruction manual. It also comes with a dust bag, which is where you can keep your light stick. And it comes with a wristband, wrist strap, and a light stick, of course. I was debating getting it for the longest because I'm like, is the writing and is this logo ugly? I know. But that's what I was thinking. I'm like, is this ugly to me? Like, do I really want this? But the more I looked at it, I was like, no, this is cool. It's slim. I like it. And I'm glad I got it. So now I put the wristband on there. Let's put some batteries in here. Okay, these are the buttons. Moment of truth. There we go. So this is like a gradient. It's really just the light down here. Okay. Green, red, purple, blue, and white. Next is a DVD or Blu-ray of their concert, Easy Crazy Hot. So I got these freebies from where I ordered it from. We have Chewan, and on the back, Yujin. And then we have Nte. And then all of them. Now on the front, I see, okay, we have, cute. And then it has their names on the back. Okay, now let's actually open this thing. It comes in this sleeve you gotta slide it out of. Okay, so the first thing you see is the logo, as well as the title of the show. So first thing is this digital code clicker. Has their logo, concert name, and it's a key ring, so you can attach it to something. Next is this guidebook. It says How to Be Saki. Guide to enjoy the performance. So yeah, this is all the stuff that comes inside. We have this VCR behind magazine. That's the back. Next is the actual tour book. So like these are photographs from the actual show. Next, we have, what is this? Secret message card set. Okay, yeah, so usually these are like scratch offs, and like once you scratch them off, you'll see the secret message. On the other side, there are pictures of the girls. Next, I see this photo card holder. Look. It kind of looks like candy to me, and it's to hold your photo cards. These are the photo cards that come with this. So this is unche, kaza, yunjin, sakura, Taiwan. And then we got their identification cards. We have unche, kaza, yunjin, sakura, and Taiwan. I also want to put one of them in my photo card holder. It's just a cute picture. Okay, last thing I see is this poster. So like, did I not order a CD? Okay, so quick update. That clicker thing with the NFC, that's the concert. That's why I didn't have a CD. Anyway, so yeah, that's it for this video. I will see you guys next time. Bye.